In today's segment, I'm going to be giving you a crash course on mortgages. Stay tuned. I'll try to make it as interesting as possible. Assuming the last few episodes helped you purchase a rental property, now you have to get a mortgage. Many people know the word but don't really know the finer details, so that's what I'm going to give you today. So let's go back to basics. The official definition of a mortgage is a legal agreement by which a bank or other creditor lends money at interest in exchange for taking title of the debtor's property, with the condition that the conveyance of title becomes void upon the payment of the debt. What? Okay, in layman's terms, a mortgage is an agreement between you and a lender that gives the lender the right to take your property if you don't make your payments. So why didn't I say that in the first place? Let's go over some other basic terms. Amortization. This is the length of time it will take to pay off the entire mortgage. Common periods you see are 25 years, 30 years, and even as long as 35 or 40 years. It might not be obvious, but the longer the amortization period, the lower the payment will be. So example, let's just take, if you have a $1,200 loan and you pay it off in 1 year at $100 per month, the amortization length is 12 months. If you amortize that loan to 5 years or 60 months, your payment will drop from $100 per month to $20 per month. This example is without interest, of course. Now, the longer amortization, the more interest you pay on the loan. Depending on your long-term goals, you might want a shorter amortization to pay less interest, or you might want a longer amortization, increasing your cash flow because at the end of the day, you don't care because the tenant's paying down your mortgage. Mortgage term. This is the length of time that a mortgage agreement at your agreed rate is in effect. If you lock in an interest rate at 2% for 5 years, your mortgage term is 5 years. Example number 2, you might only want a 1-year term because you're thinking of selling the property and don't want any interest penalties. Okay, now interest penalty. Oh, sorry, it's amazing how fast 2 minutes flies by when you're trying to discuss super dry material. We'll continue this in part 2 next week. Thanks for watching.